Good afternoon, this is John McNally from Yachtsales. We're on board of Beneteau 461 over here in Fort Pierce, Florida. Beautiful sunny day, a little breeze blowing. We're doing a little exterior video for your pleasure. Here in the cockpit, you can see the varnished teak. Nice cockpit table with fiberglass leaves that come up. You can see the steering pedestal. These are cool, the little perches for on the stern pulpit, one on both sides. Very nice. And this is a great feature. This pulls up, walk-through transom, and there you got a swim platform back here with a ladder. There's the life raft, easy access to the life raft. There's the outboard motor on a little stand. It has its own davit. You can see the solar panel arch above the dinghy. It's a nice setup because it kind of protects the dinghy a little bit. There's the Starlink mounted there. That's one of the new upgrades he put on it when he bought the boat 2.5 years ago. There's the all-important grill. Got big 54-inch Lumar self-tailing winches. That's what I like about this Bruce Farr design. It's pretty stout. Sitting here, you can see the original chart plotter, Ray Marine C90 or whatever it's called. And then he's got a new display here, the autopilot. And then here's a speed, depth, and wind. And on this side, there's the bow thruster joystick. He's got a little bracket here for your iPad if you have Navionics. There's the compass, nice big compass. Throttles on the starboard side right there. Here's the engine panel. You can see there's a fuel tank gauge. It's got 1900 hours. Very nice. So you can see this is a Bimini Dodger with the in-between piece. It's clear. Kind of needs to be replaced. That one does. These windows look good. They've all been replaced and they're pretty nice and clear. You can see the nice Traveler right there for the main. It's a Furling main. Go up on the foredeck, scope it out. You can hear the wind machine humming behind me. He's got a few spare jugs here, water, gas, and fuel, and diesel. You can see it has the rigid bang. Also has this nice bar up here that you can lean on when you're up here doing stuff. Back in the old days, they had this when you had to come up here to do a reef. This is a Furling main. Inner forestay, which is just for support of the mast. They got a Whisker pole on the front of the mast. It's a pretty nice way to store it. Keeps it out of the way. Hatches are a little bit crazed for this age boat. That's what happens. Here's the Furling system, the Rocknor anchor. It's got two anchor rollers there if you want to have two. Let's take a look inside here. Simpson Lawrence windlass. There's a little wash-off hose thing attachment. Electric windlass, of course. And here we are. It's John McNally, Yachtsales. This is what we do. We can help you get sailing. When you go on YouTube and subscribe, you'll get all kinds of nice videos, adventures, how-tos, and all the new boats that we're coming and going. I'm going to go down below and do another video of the interior. So if you like it, go check it out. It's John McNally signing off.